Let's talk about taking the perfect photo. First, compose the shot. Check the histogram, adjust the exposure, focus on your subject. Compute the hyperfocal distance to keep everything sharp, enable bracketing to get more dynamic range, add a neutral density filter, update the exposure, and then take the shot. We built a better way. The world's first AI photography assistant. With one tap, Arsenal finds settings to take the best photo possible. Arsenal's AI searches thousands of images in its database to suggest good settings. Next, it fine-tunes the suggestions by analyzing 18 different factors. Arsenal uses state-of-the-art machine learning to help you take a great photo in any condition. Many of the memorable shots you see today are captured by combining multiple exposures through a labor-intensive process called photo stacking. With Arsenal, you can do this in seconds. Capture all the details in scenes with high dynamic range, get everything in sharp focus, and create long exposures without buying expensive filters. Using these advanced techniques, Arsenal lets you go beyond the limitations of your camera's sensor or lens. For times when you want complete control, you can wirelessly adjust manual settings, see a live preview, and trigger the shutter, all from up to 100 feet away. Arsenal also improves the experience of reviewing photos in the field. You can flip through the photos on your camera, zoom in to check out details at full resolution, then share your favorite photos right from your phone. And finally, Arsenal makes it easy to capture stunning time lapses. It automatically adjusts the exposure in changing light, giving you a smooth day to night transition. You can even watch a high-def preview of your time lapse while it's being taken. Whether you're a pro who has already mastered manual shooting, or you just bought your first DSLR, Arsenal can help take your photography to the next level. So before you replace your gear, try upgrading your technique with Arsenal.
This is Capture V3. It's a clip that clamps to any belt, strap, or bag and rigidly carries cameras, lenses, and more. Now in its third generation, Capture looks, feels, and works better than ever before. V3 is substantially lower profile, narrower, and lighter than its predecessors. With recessed bolt heads and gently rounded corners, Capture is small and comfortable enough for temporary or semi-permanent installation. Machined from a solid block of aluminum, Capture's chassis and backplate are anodized for a smooth, strong finish. Combined with an aluminum quick-release button and stainless steel locking pin, Capture V3 is stronger, more durable, and smoother operating.
Capture is absolutely used by pros, and they carry expensive, heavy rigs, so strength was a prime consideration, and I'm proud to say that we made version 3 stronger than any Capture before it.
An embedded pad in Capture's backplate creates superior grip on all surfaces. For extended use and heavy glass, we've completely redesigned ProPad to offer more comfort and stability in a smaller package.
Capture is a tool, but it's also designed to look good. With our new anodization process, we're now able to offer it in black and in silver so that it'll look great on any bag or belt you own for years to come.
Like our straps and bags, Capture is now available in 2 colors, matte black or silver. Capture V3, our most low-profile, comfortable, durable, and beautiful camera clip yet, by Peak Design.
Hello Kickstarter, my name is Josh, and let me introduce you to the Ultimate Lenses. This is what it looks like, and this is what you can do with it. This is how the ultimate lens hood works. Grab any lens that you own, stretch it on with only one hand, and now you can take incredible photos, videos, and time lapses through glass without any reflection. You can also fit it in reverse to protect your camera from the elements, wedge it in your bag for extra protection, or use it as a lens changing pad outdoors.
At Free Designs, we believe that timing and the choice of equipment are two important ingredients for an amazing photo. And changing lenses is an important part of the creative process. But as we all know, it sucks. And we were sick of dropped lenses, bulky camera bags, and running around with multiple camera bodies. So we created the Trilens. Trilens lets you carry up to 3 different lenses at the same time, and changing your glass has never been faster. No matter your lens combination, the center of gravity will automatically adjust to be as low as possible, and the auto friction mechanism will keep the Trilens stable when walking or running. In order to use the Trilens, you simply attach the housing to the belt clip using the quick release. Remove the lens from the camera, attach it to an empty slot on the Trilens. Find your desired lens, and then finally just drop the lens cap on an empty slot on the Trilens. This protects your lenses from dust, and you'll never misplace your lens caps again.